Welcome. Today I'm going to talk about f-string formatting, concatenation, and string formatting. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing and hitting the thumbs up and the bell to get alerts when I post new videos. F-string formatting is when you enclose a variable within curly brackets within a text template. Using f-string formatting is a tool to help display information in a well-formatted and readable format. For example, let's say someone asks my age. I will have the age as equal to 22. Now, to create a f-string format, I will use the print function that inside the parentheses, you will have the letter F. Then you can use a single or double quotes, does not matter, and then the text template can be a sentence like my age is. Now the variable name will be inside the curly brackets, and then to finish, you will close it with the single quote. And here is how the result looks on the screen. Second example, let's say someone asks what my age is and what my favorite color is. It's similar to the first example, but now I will add a sentence extra next to age, and I'll have the variable color inside the curly brackets. And this is how the result looks on the screen. The next tool I'm teaching is similar, but you will see the difference. Concatenation is the process of combining two or more strings together to create a single, longer string. You can use this by using the plus symbol. Let's say I wanted to get the same result as the first example. I will use the print function that have a string my age is plus the variable name age plus and the string and color is plus variable name color. But there will be an error because age is an integer, and for the concatenation to work it has to be a string, so age has to be converted to a string so it can work. And here's the result. As you see on the screen, there is no space between is, 22, and also is and red. To fix it, there is two ways. You can add a space to the strings, or you can add a string with an empty space. And this is how the result looks on the screen. Here is another way to do it as well. You can use commas. You don't have to add spaces since it will automatically do it, and you don't have to convert age to a string. And here is how the result looks on the screen. Now the last tool is string formatting. Similar to f-string formatting, the difference now is we will have the print function .format. The important thing about string formatting is that the order matters when it comes to variable names. What is inside the first variable name in the format function will apply to the first curly bracket in the string, and etc. Here will be an example into why the order matters as well. Explain the result too. And result 1 is display the information like in example 1, and result 2 explain why the ordering matters. And here is an example of having the dot format inside the print function. Here are a few options you can use in a way to display information to the screen. These techniques will be used all the time when you code, since you will have to display information to the screen. You don't have to use all of them, you can just stick to one that makes you feel more comfortable with. But I wanted to show you some ways to display information to the screen.